what is the law and what is the crime that I committed. Due to me now, the legal basis for my being here, as apparently I was brought here not of my own volition. So you have to answer now for the deprivation of liberty.
Mr. President.
Look at what they did. Hindi lang tinanggap ang... Pagdating sa trial dyan, tatawagin kita sa witness stand. Sabihin ko, you're the person who arrested me. May I know the reason why? Have you read the documents? Or at least, have you read the case at that time when you made the arrest? So that you would be guided to what you should know. Yan lang yan. Magkaibigan tayo, galing ako gobyerno.
The plane is en route to The Hague in the Netherlands, allowing the former president to face charges of crimes against humanity in relation to his bloody war on drugs.